Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi router, an easy guide. First, locate the power cord and the included Ethernet cable to begin your setup. Take your new router out of its box and find a central location for it, ideally away from thick walls or large metal objects. Plug the power adapter into an outlet, then connect the other end to your router. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to your Internet modem's LAN port and the other end to your router's WAN port. Wait about 3 to 5 minutes for the router to power on and indicator lights to stabilize. Once your router is set up and powered on, it is time to connect your devices. Look for a sticker on your router, usually on the bottom or back, to find the default Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and its password. On your phone, tablet, or computer, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings, select your router's network name, and input the password. For devices needing a faster or more stable connection, use an Ethernet cable directly from one of the router's LAN ports to your device. This process is usually instant and reliable. To customize your Wi-Fi experience and enhance security, you will want to access your router settings. Find the router's default IP address, often something like 192.168.1.1, and the admin username and password. Open any web browser on a device connected to your new Wi-Fi, then type that IP address into the address bar. Log in using the default credentials. From there, you can easily change your Wi-Fi network name and password to something unique and strong, greatly improving your home network's protection. For the best Wi-Fi performance, optimal router placement is crucial. Place your router in a central, open area of your home, avoiding placement near microwaves, cordless phones, or large metal appliances that can interfere with the signal. Most modern routers offer both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Use 5 GHz for closer, high-bandwidth tasks and 2.4 GHz for wider coverage. Elevating your router, perhaps on a shelf or desk, about 3 to 4 feet high, can also significantly improve its signal reach. Regularly checking for and installing firmware updates keeps your router running efficiently and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.